Hi everybody, welcome to this video. Thank you for watching. And in this simple video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid AI detectors when you write a blog or anything in ChatGPT. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are here in ChatGPT, and what I'm going to show you is very simple prompts you have to use to avoid AI detectors. Big platforms like Google, for example, don't like blogs, AI blogs or articles. They don't rank on SEO, they don't rank on Google. So you have to avoid just copying and pasting articles from ChatGPT to your blog. So I'm going to show you just really simple how to avoid that with ChatGPT itself. You don't have to go to another platform. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to pay anything else. You just have to write the proper prompts in ChatGPT to avoid this. Okay, so for example, imagine we were to write a blog about making money online, a very common topic. So, yeah, making money online. Okay, so let's analyze this text, for example, and let's analyze it in the AI detector. Let's see how much. Okay, so 70% human generated content. So this probably wouldn't rank very well on Google or an SEO platform. So you don't want to be just copying and pasting text from ChatGPT to your blog. So what you gotta be doing is use these prompts that I'm going to give you, which are very simple, 3 prompts. So the first one is I'm going to give you information before asking you to write an article. Do you understand? Yeah. Boom. So ChatGPT understands. Good. So the next prompt, which I'm going to leave in the description, let's just copy it from here. Good. So when it comes to writing content, 2 factors are crucial: perplexity and burstiness. Perplexity measures the complexity of text separately. Burstiness compares the variation of sentences. Humans tend to write with greater burstiness, for example, with some longer or complex sentences alongside shortened ones. AI sentences tend to be more uniform. Therefore, when writing the following content, I am going to ask you to create uh, the I need it to have a good amount of perplexity and burstiness. Do you understand? So look how amazing you can program this chat GPT to do anything you want. So do you understand? Yes, I understand. Good. So the third prompt you got to be using is just this one. Using the concepts written previously, rewrite this article um, with a high degree of, let's put with a very high degree of perplexity and burstiness, and then we just copy the article it wrote for us, copy it, and we paste it here. Let's put this sign and copy, and we close the article, and boom. So there we go. Now this should be better to the AI detector. Let's see, copy, and let's analyze this text. Okay, and then let's paste it here. Okay, 1000, great. So analyze text. Okay, 88, it's not perfect. So if it doesn't get to 100, just go back to this prompt, and you can put, you know what, just put higher. Look, so copy this. I'm going to put it in the description, don't worry. So you just put higher degree of perplexity and burstiness. Done. And let's see what happens with the detector. So let's erase this and paste the other one and analyze. Boom, 100. That's how simple it is to write something, an article or a blog or anything in ChatGPT without getting detected, and writing it more human-like and in a more human tone, which is more burstiness and perplexity. And you just have to write that simple prompt. And if it doesn't get, you can just write higher degree of perplexity and burstiness. And that is it. So if you like this video, please just hit the like button. If you want to watch more videos about some of this great value that ChatGPT has on, it's it's changed our lives. It's definitely a new era for the ChatGPT and AI era. So if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting a lot of value in these videos, simple videos like this, which give you a lot of value. And if you want to watch some more of what ChatGPT can do, you will be amazed by this next video, which I put up here for you. Watch it. It's mind blowing what you can do with ChatGPT. So thank you.